not having a vacation booked is got to be the worst feeling. It is something to look forward to. I always enjoy having something on the books and a vacation that I can look forward to. Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Tiffany, and I really don't have a whole lot of content for you today. I am really looking for places that we can go for our next trip. We don't have anything on the calendar for our next vacation, and this is really weird for us because we almost always have something booked. And I've told y'all many times that the shoulder season is the best time to look for a cruise or a hotel because prices start coming down. So I'm really looking to see what I can find right now. And as you all know, I live in Florida and we moved here about a year ago so that we could cruise as much as possible. We have done some cruising, and I have to say we have not done anything in Florida. And we used to visit Florida a lot and go to Universal Studios and Disney World. So I'm kind of thinking about going back to one of those places. I'm not sure. I have a poll in the description. I need your help. I need your feedback. Where do you think I should go? Disney World, Universal Studios, or another Caribbean cruise? I love the holidays. Those are some of my favorite times. I love the holiday vibe, and all the way from Halloween to Christmas with all of the holiday lights and decorations. So I really want to go somewhere with a fun holiday vibe. And I want to also know where you like to go for your holiday vacations as well. So definitely check out the community tab and leave me comments. Where do you go for your holiday vacations? Plus, I want to hear your feedback, what you think I should do and where I should go for my next vacation. As of the last time I looked at it, it was 50-50 Disney World or a Caribbean cruise. So leave me your feedback. Let me know what you think, and I will let you know here real soon what we chose. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.